All right, y'all. Welcome to the Angler's Guide to the Galaxy now. So we're out here at Haulover Canal. This area right here. Is some prime fishing, y'all. Out here with Pat, wearing a hat. Anyways, so today we're working with the Battle 2 pin setup. See that right there? Battle 2. And we're fishing with some shrimpies. Let's see here. They're dying because Florida. So, anyways, guys, this all these trees right here are actually considered invasive. And check out this check out this bug, y'all. This little creeper. Y'all need to be careful for this thing, because from what I know, they got some pinchers on their front. And yeah, anyways, I'm gonna set up the camera, and I think he got snuck just now. Oh man, it's still on there though. That's nice.
Oh, look at that chunky together.
Yeah. Damn. So it might be some grouper, or not grouper, mango. Some I think they're called mango, not grouper. Anyways. All right, I'm gonna give myself a little shot here, guys. catch some fish, but it wasn't anything that we really wanted to catch. Hence the not excitement of catching the catfish. Just like in real life, you get catfish in real life, you don't get excited about it. So, a fish is a fish, but a catfish is also a catfish, I guess. Anyway, so that was kind of nice to have some fishing time. So that'll do it for the Angler's Guide to the Galaxy. I'm going to go ahead and try to do some videos for the Historical Guide to the Galaxy, and possibly a little bit more on the orbiting the neighborhood video stuff. So go to those channels, give them a like, and a follow, and